ahead.
So ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm showing you how you can create a LinkedIn account and also how to get a membership, how to purchase a membership on LinkedIn account. So if you're looking at my name is L9, don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, there's a video I have made on how to create an account. You can check it in the video description step by step how to create a LinkedIn account for 3MDT or any other thing, for example, to apply for a job. Once you create an account, log into your account and also you have to complete all the details. You can check that link in the video descriptions. After you have made this, you go into your account and tap on premium, which means you are going to purchase a payment on LinkedIn. And as I say in this video, I'll show you step by step. So you need to do, in order to purchase a premium on LinkedIn, the first thing is you need to get a dollar account. Let me say dollar card or dollar account. If you have a dollar account or a domicile account, it's okay for you. And if you don't have a domicile account, there's a way I will show you how you can do it. As you can see, I'm using an app called NairaPay. So link will be in the description if you want to know how you can get this dollar card. I have made a video tutorial step by step. You can check it out in my channel. So as you can see, if I open my application, this is the app. I have a USD. I'll copy all my card details. Then I'll go into that linking page. Then I'll paste my details and do whatever it is.
In a quick review, let's get started. Once you tap on premium, it will take you down to the digital light where you have to purchase premium on LinkedIn. Try 1 month for free with 0 naira. So actually, how this method, in order to get premium on LinkedIn, you need to start with at least 1 month without paying anything for free. So it will take me down to the payment page where I should enter my details, card credit details, and expiration date, CBB, and Nigeria, and all the postal code and all the details related to card in order for them to confirm my card. And you will not be charged. It is free for 1 month, as you can see here now. So let me enter my postal code and everything. Then tap on save. As you can see here, I no need to save this. They will ask me. As you can see, but rather than the December 1, they will charge me if I haven't canceled. So before December 1, I must cancel it. Then I will enjoy the premium version for free. Tap on claim for the free trial, as you can see right now. So it will take you down and loading, and the page will open. As you can see here, we are processing your request. Don't refresh this page. So right now I get premium version on LinkedIn. Over a month I will spend it, access all the LinkedIn features. Look at this carefully. Go to the cultural light. So now I have access to premium on LinkedIn. Everything is pretty, is going to be fine perfectly. The thing is, you all have to get the welcome to premium, as you can see here. So I can access the premium version. Continue. So what I'm saying is that the thing, you have to get the dollar card, all eating. Until you get it, they will not charge you anything. And if I see, let me go into my Gmail. I will show you the screenshot. As you can see here, this is a receipt. I have made a payment and they haven't charged me nothing. They haven't charged me anything. And as you can see it here, so if you look at my account carefully, if I go into my mobile right now, you see I have the access of premium version. I can do whatever thing I can. At least I can view proper many hires, top employees, and whatever thing I can do it. So now I have a account on LinkedIn premium version and without anything for free.
So that's basically how you can do it step by step. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on notification bell so that by the time I release the video, you will be the first one to get this. Don't forget, if you want to know how to get this card, let me say this dollar card, you can check the link in the description or you can check our channel for more updates. Thank you so much.